What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with a hit and a smash and a bang. I know people, you already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people here from the SIF on the video on the title what we're dealing with today. There was an artist that's no stranger to the channel. We're talking about A Milli. Yeah, man, but hold up. Before we jump right into that, guys, I just want to thank you guys for showing the continued love and support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hitting that like button. You know, we're going strong over there, and I appreciate y'all. We're gonna continue to grow and shoot for the blow up, which I can, you know what I'm saying? Shoot for the stars. So if you miss it, whatever that saying was, but we're gonna shoot for what we can shoot for, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, people. I just want to thank you guys for the continued support. The goal for this video is 100 likes, so hit that like button. 100 likes on this video. Yeah, man, I keep dropping your comments in the comment section. Yeah, man, I appreciate your love and support. We're going strong over here. And yeah, we're gonna jump right in the truck. Yeah, man, people, we're there with A Milli. No stranger to the channel. We reacted to him before many times. We have a couple songs on the channel. I gotta go back and check exactly which one is it. Go back with A Milli. This one's entitled Nobody, and we're gonna check it out and see what I'm going. You know what I'm saying? Judging from the title, Nobody sound like, you know, he started from something. You know, he's remembering when, you know, before he's doing music and they was calling him a nobody, or he wasn't nobody and he grew up to be something. We're gonna check it out and see what I'm going. I don't know, but A Milli, definitely a talented artist. You know, he might have a, while he do that time, he might have a American flow to him at the same time. Just want to know him fluent in the topics that he discussed. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, dope artists. We're gonna jump right in the track. Remember, guys, goal is 100 likes. You know what I'm saying? 100 likes and hit that subscribe button. You don't know, jump right in the chat. It's A Milli, Nobody. Let's get it.
Yo, crush floor.
Crush road upon her.
On days like this, give me something for me feel good. Yeah, I feel love, me look a different, come me need love. I dem my perks to the 8 start creep up. No, I say me great from me idea I need.
Come in now.
In every season, I'm paying at the reason. I'ma stop smoke, gas my weed every day. Coulda changed from the gang, them thing they are treason.
Paying at the reason. Me stop smoke, gas my weed off the diesel.
The demons, them a say me. Pop Molly every day, that mash up me head. My been a John, I'ma never ask a fail. And everybody get real when they get.
Once I pop Molly every day, I mash up my head. Me been a Joe, I never ask you for help.
When shopping at the coop, I'm not talk seatbelt. I feel living at the dark, because I
strapping at the coop, I'm not talk seatbelt, you know. Oh, you mean?
I try mad myself, I could have mad already. When everybody have.
Someone say me try mad this, could have mad already.
I could never have a steady. I put my heart in that box when I go with it. On days like this, give me something for me feel good. Yeah, I feel love me look a different, come me need love.
Someone say I feel love me look a different, come me need love.
I dem my perks to the 8 start creep up. No, I say me great from me idea and need drink any every season.
No, say me great from me idea and make up. Arm to them.
It's not paying at the
tell me nothing.
I'ma stop smoke, gas my weed every day. Coulda changed from the gang, them thing they are treason.
Couldn't change from the gang, them thing they are treason. Talk truth, no man.
Demons, them a say me. Nobody compare to the pain I'ma feel. Big teeth, mount up here, them still.
Nobody compare to the pain I'ma feel. Tell them.
Boy, if you hard days, then you know you go feel by a BJ. Call like me, I need every scene. Drop a brick in your whole shit for fuck me for real. Yo, trap.
Drop a brick in your whole shit for fuck me for real. I'm to them.
But if I rap, me just talk how me feel. Just a response to my sense of feel. Nobody.
Hey.
Nobody. Just a response to the sense of feel. And days like this, give me.
Days like this give me reason for feel good. You have to love me little different cause me need love.
Something for me feel good. Yeah, I feel up my little different cause me need love. I them my perps at the 8 start creep up. No, I say me great from my idea and need come. Any every season I be another reason. I stop smoke gas my weed every day. Good.
Yo, drink any every season. P another reason. Me have to stop drink. Me have to stop smoke gas my weed off of days.
Change from the gang, them thing they are treason. Talk to my demons, them are some me.
Can't change from the ground, them thing they are treason. Talk to my demons, them are say me evil. Come on, yo. Cha-cha.
Yo, crush floor.
Cha-cha. Yo, that defense, a hell of a thing, you know, when I talk to your demons and your demons, I tell them, say, yo, yeah, wicked one, I know me. Are you? I know me. Yeah, man. Cha-cha. That tough.
Last night.
That's tough.
Yo, shell at them.
That's a hard pill to swallow, bruv.
You know no one up in I trap.
This madman. Emily? Shit. I've been really depressed real now, brother. Cause when you sing happy song, you sound depressed now, Emily. So I hope you're good in the real life, you know, dog. You see me there? Good tune still. All of your song them, you know? There's definitely a place for your music in the industry, brother. You know? Yeah, man. Yeah, he's like the Jamaican Juice WRLD. But yeah, man, people, that's Emily. Nobody. Yeah, man, real dope track, different concept. Emily, I say, Emily is different, you know what I'm saying? I first see what them say, do dancehall and still sound like him a rap. Or he's a yardie and sound like a Yankee at the same time without even trying. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, Emily, big up yourself. Real dope track, people, check it out. Let me know what y'all think. You know, I'm drop the comments in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let you know the Jambisco Dan Army is strong. You see me? Yeah, man. Go show the artist some love and support. Hit the like and subscribe button on my video. Hit the like and subscribe button on my video. Show some love. Definitely drop the comments in the comment section on my video. Let me know what y'all think about it. Was it a hit or miss? And definitely drop the comments. Let me know what y'all want me to react to next. Okay? I definitely got you guys. We're gonna get it done. More bangers coming, different reactions coming. We're gonna mix up the channel. We're gonna switch it up on the channel. We're gonna make it mad entertaining. You see me? So don't go nowhere. Stay tuned. Show your boy some love and support. You see me? Yeah, cause the yard them come take it over. You see me? You see me? So don't say a word. We come and take over this. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Come and make our space in the game and our space on YouTube. So show us all of our support. Yeah, no more bangers coming, more is coming. It's a boy Jambisco out here that hit and smashing up. Banger. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I want.